In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix zoom settings on iPhone. Whether you're new to iPhones or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through these steps to ensure your zoom settings are just right. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the settings on your iPhone. This is the central hub where you can control and customize a variety of features on your device. Simply look for the gray icon that resembles a gear. Once you've found it, tap on it to open the settings menu. From here, we can access all the necessary controls. Next up, scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility settings are designed to make your device usable for everyone. Whether you have specific needs or want to control certain features, this is where you can make those adjustments. Tapping Accessibility will open a new set of options tailored to enhance your user experience. At this point, let's focus on the Zoom feature. Look for Zoom in the list and tap on it. The Zoom accessibility feature is particularly useful if you need to enlarge your screen for better visibility. However, if it's causing issues, it's best to turn it off. You'll now see a toggle switch next to Zoom. Go ahead and turn Zoom off by tapping the switch. You should see the switch move to the left and change color. This means the Zoom feature is now disabled. Turning off Zoom can help resolve unwanted screen magnification and improve your interaction with the device. Now that you've done that, let's move on to updating the Zoom app itself. To update Zoom, open the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store is where you can download new applications or update existing ones. Look for the blue icon with an A on it. Tap on this icon to enter the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Your profile icon gives you access to your account settings and shows updates available for apps you've installed. Tap on it to proceed. From there, scroll until you find Zoom Workplace in the list of apps. Keeping your apps updated is crucial as it ensures you're using the latest features and security enhancements. When you find Zoom Workplace, you might see an update button next to it. Tap Update to start downloading the latest version of the app. This will ensure that you're using the most current version of Zoom, complete with any bug fixes and new features. You might need to wait a few moments for the update to finish depending on your internet speed. After the update is complete, you can open the Zoom app to see if the issues have been resolved. And there you have it. By turning off the Zoom accessibility feature and updating the app, you should have a smoother experience on your iPhone. Remember, keeping your settings optimized and apps updated not only enhances functionality but also keeps your device secure and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.